Hey, what's up guys? Today's video, let's learn how we can download offline maps in Google Maps. So first off, head over to your Maps application and make sure that you are logged into your specific Google account. And that exact Google account is where you will have your map downloaded. So once you get to a page like this, tap onto your initial on your top right. Here, tap on Offline Maps. Now in here at the below section, it will ask you if you would like to select your own map. So simply tap on Select Your Own. And likewise, zoom in to the location. It says drag or zoom to adjust the map. So let's go ahead and zoom at this part right here. Zoom in a little bit more and select the location which you would like to go. Make sure that you fit it in this screen right here. Now tap on download. It says download will use up to 10 MB. So all you have to do is tap on to download. And once you have downloaded it, all you have to do is turn off your Wi-Fi. I'm going to turn off my Wi-Fi and show you exactly how it works. Now, as I have turned off my Wi-Fi, as you can see, it still works because I've just downloaded this location. So guys, this is how it works. Thank you for watching. If it had helped you in any ways, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.